Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own pop socket. They're super trendy, customizable, and make great gifts. This project is also super quick and easy. I'll be using pressed flowers in the color orange as my customer requested with gold flakes. You'll want to start by pouring your resin into the mold and then begin placing your flowers inside the resin. Push down so the resin covers the top of the flowers. If you've enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment as well. We'd love to know what you think. If any bubbles begin to pop up, you can spritz it with alcohol and they'll pop. Or you can poke them with a toothpick. After curing for 24 hours, you can take it from the mold and place it on your clear pop socket. You can adhere it using UV resin or E6000 glue, or even Gorilla Glue. I hope you've enjoyed this quick video. See you later.